Hello, this is Mr. Fiducia. And what we are going to do today is we're going to look at an Excel data analysis feature. If you're taking a basic stat course, undoubtedly you're using Excel to help you solve problems, do data analysis. And if you don't know, you should know that there is a function in Excel called data analysis that makes life a lot easier. I'd like to explain that to you if I could. Let's say that we have this set of data here in column A, just 9 numbers I made up, and we want to know the mean of that data, or the median, the mode, and standard deviation. Typical measures of variability, measures of central tendency that we need in a basic stat course. Well, one thing you could do, of course, is you could go into Excel under formulas, and let's see, we could go into more function statistical, and look, here's a whole bunch of them, average, anything you want to know. And so if you want to know the average, you click on that, and it'll give you the average. And if you want to know the standard deviation, you go down the list here until you come to standard deviation and do the same thing. Little time consuming, cumbersome. You don't need to do that. And the reason I say you don't need to do that is because instead what you can do is you can put in a feature in your Excel. It comes with the program called data analysis. Under data, you will see over here on the right here, you see data analysis. Now, if you have an older version of Excel, it may be in over here in the right-hand side where mine says analyze data. Depends what version of Excel you have. But let's show you how it works. If you want to know, first of all, if you don't have it, here's how you get it, by the way. Let's go under File. Okay. I didn't mean to hit this. Okay, go under File. Down here to Options. And this screen will pop up. And you go into Add-ins right here. And when you go into Add-ins, you will see, and mine says Analysis Tool Pack, but and here it explains what it does. It provides data analysis tools for statistical and engineering analysis. Again, depending on what version of Excel you have, when you click on add-ins, you may have an add-in called data analysis. You click on that and then say OK. Then you should see data analysis either under data, like mine is, or by itself over here on the right. So you need to add it in if it's not already there. Here's the advantage of data analysis. Again, we have this set of data. And if we want to know something about it, I'm going to go under Data and Data Analysis right here. And this menu comes up. What we want, you can do a whole number of things, you notice here. And in other videos, we'll do some of these. But for now, we're interested in descriptive statistics. Hit OK. When you do that, it wants to know what range of data are you talking about. And so in my case, it's A1 through A9. You notice how that, and the way to do that is just left click on here and scroll down to A9. And what that'll do is that'll automatically load the input range in there. Again, you just left click on the first, keep your keep it clicked down, then drag it all the way down to number 9 here, and it'll automatically show up under the input range. Then what you need to do, so now the Excel program knows what data we're dealing with, what data we want to know something about. And we want summary statistics. Here it is right here. Click on summary statistics and go to OK. Once you go to OK, let me get these a little bit bigger so we can see it. It'll give you everything you needed to know. There's the mean, there's the median, there's no mode in this one, standard deviation, the sample variance, as well as the range, maximum, minimum, the total sum, and we had 9 pieces of data there. So data analysis is a valuable tool for you to use if you don't already have it. Keep that in mind, and keep looking at my web page for this video and others. If you have any specific questions, you can email me at mystatguy@gmail.com. Hope you enjoyed it.